Molato soap is one of the most popular soap made by those who are into skincare organics. They are actually made to be able to whiten the skin, or should I say lighten the skin. They are lightening and whitening soap. They are meant to change you from at least your shade to one shade lighter, remove dark spots, cure pigmentation. In fact, mulatto soap is made with higher concentration of active ingredients. Welcome back and thank you for not going anywhere. This is Bam Glam DIY. On today's edition, I want to teach you how to make this skin lightening and whitening soap. So we'll be making this mulatto soap using this soap base. This soap base paste, you can see from the texture, it is soft in texture. Most people call it Morrocan soap base, some people call it Alanta Samina, but it is mostly sold in some parts of Africa. It's sold as bathing soap, or will I say as beauty soap. It is easy to walk around with. You can easily infuse your herbs into it and put it in a cup and sell. Some persons prefer using this kind of soap. This kind of soap is not made with caustic soda. Note, they are made with potassium hydroxide. That is why KOH, that is why it is soft in texture. And then after keeping it for a while, it becomes translucent. So if you already know how to make soap paste, this video will actually help you and guide you to know how you can activate your own soap paste in different ways. So the list of the items I'll be using will be listed on the screen. So you can actually make use of alpha arbutin in the powdered form. So as the soap paste is 700 grams in total, you can make use of the alpha arbutin in powdered form, which is actually very pure, but I'm making use of it in oil form. This is a Vit Gold whitening face and body oil, which contains almond oil, carrot oil, and then it also contains some percentage of alpha arbutin. The second one is the Snow White brightening oil. There is also Snow White in powdered form, and then the only active powder I'll be introducing is kojic dip. The kojic dip, I will introduce it at 3%. So of 700 gram soap base, 3% of it is about 21 grams. Now if you actually want this soap to work excessively, like do the job faster and quicker, you can actually increase the percentages of your active ingredients, or you can as well reduce it to suit you. Then I'm also using the Vit Gold vitamin E oil for body and face. I'm also going with some preservative like liquid Jama Plus to help preserve the soap. You can make use of any preservative of your choice. And then most importantly, glycerin. Glycerin is a humectant which helps to draw moisture to the skin, soften the skin. It's a very serious additive if you are dealing with skincare production. Glycerin can also be replaced using propylene glycol, vitamin B5, and other types of emollients, even dimethicone and the rest of them. Just know that there are also other emollients out there that you can make use of in place of glycerin. Even sorbitol can also be used. But also note that this soap was made with high quantity of glycerin during the formulation of this soap paste. If you're interested in making soap paste for your business, you're a skincare brand and you want to learn how to make this kind of soap paste, you can message me with the WhatsApp number on the screen, or on the one, use the WhatsApp link written below the description link, where I can teach you privately on how to make soap paste. But if you already know how to make soap paste, please do enjoy this video, try it out, and you will see that it has a very beautiful outcome. Now we are done with adding all the additives that we have chosen. Note that if you are adding skin actives in your skincare product like soap, please don't exceed more than 3 unless you are using natural herbs. But all these active like kojic alpha-butane, glutathione, licorice, and the rest of them. Using very little or 2 or 3 of them is best, so that you will not be having issues with your customers. So if you want to color, you color. I'm coloring orange color. I'm using mica color in orange red to color my soap, after which I will pound it. After pounding it together and mixing it together, this is how the texture looks like. If you have the industrial mixer, it will even be better for you to use industrial mixer. If not, do the way you think you can to make sure that everything is incorporated very well. You have to be very quick and put them into jars, because after a while it will start solidifying back. So now that it's still a little bit pasty, that was why I used oils, oil liquids as my actives instead of even using powders. It is very easy to incorporate liquids as active in this kind of soap than powders. Even though you are using powders, there should be some versions whereby you can also incorporate some liquids to it. So once you are done, make sure you sterilize your jars very well, and then you start putting it into your jars. Pack it up and make sure it's very filled up. You can also weigh it on scale to know the weight of each of the jars, to make sure you have an accurate weight. But with this measurement we have here, we will arrive at about 4 jars, and then we'll have some of this left over. This is how beautiful the soap looks like, just like the normal one you buy from your organic skincare vendor. And then yes, it lathers very well. It lathers excessively. It is very creamy to touch, to feel, so you can apply it on your skin and use it like a scrub on your skin. Let it assimilate into your body before you even start using it to wash. But it lathers excessively and you will love it. You will love it. Thank you for watching this video to the end. I hope you try it out and give it a try. Please also like this video and subscribe to my channel. Give me a thumbs up so that you can encourage my growth.